Ladies and gentlemen, please note that all hand luggage that cannot be securely stored in the overhead compartment or under the seat in front of you will need to be checked in now. Thank you.
कृपया ध्यान दीजिए, आपकी जानकारी के लिए आपके हाथ के सामान को जो सामने वाली कुर्सी के नीचे या ऊपर लगे लॉकर्स में नहीं रखा जा सकता है, उसे कार्गो में रखवा दिया जाएगा। धन्यवाद।
Ladies and gentlemen, please note that all hand luggage that cannot be securely stored in the overhead compartment or under the seat in front of you will need to be checked in now. Thank you.
ध्यान दीजिए, आपकी जानकारी के लिए आपके हाथ के सामान को जो सामने वाली कुर्सी के नीचे या ऊपर लगे लॉकर्स में नहीं रखा जा सकता है, उसे कार्गो में रखवा दिया जाएगा। धन्यवाद।
Ladies and gentlemen, we are paging passengers Ms. Nair Kalam, Mr. Chan Pram, and Mr. Nayar Rajiv. With the following passengers, kindly identify yourself to any of the cabin crew. Thank you.
A very good morning to you, ladies and gentlemen. This is your Captain Su speaking. Welcome aboard our flight SQ422 bound for Mumbai. In the flight deck, I have First Officer Terry Teo and Second Officer Alvin Tan. In your cabin, your in-flight supervisor is Miss Verena Po. I'm sure she and the rest of her crew will make sure that you're well looked after. We will be departing shortly. Our flight time to Mumbai is approximately 4 hours and 40 minutes. Weather en route is reported to be partly cloudy and we can expect occasional turbulence from time to time. For your own safety, I do advise that you have your seatbelts fastened while seated in case we encounter any unexpected turbulent weather, and to please observe the seatbelt signs whenever it's switched on. I'll talk to you again as we get closer to our destination to keep you updated on the progress of the flight and also the weather in Mumbai. Meanwhile, do sit back, relax and enjoy the in-flight service and the warm hospitality of Singapore Airlines. Thank you for your attention and I wish you a pleasant flight.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Adeline, your leading stewardess. Welcome aboard Singapore Airlines Flight SQ422 to Mumbai. Our Criswell Entertainment System will soon be available. The program listing can be found in the Criswell magazine in your seat pocket. For safety reasons, headsets are not to be used until after takeoff. Health tips are available in the travel health card, which can be found in your seat pocket. We would like to wish you a pleasant flight.
कृपया ध्यान दीजिए। नमस्कार। सिंगापुर एयरलाइन की सिंगापुर से मुंबई जाने वाली SQ उड़ान 422 पर आपका स्वागत है। हमारा मुंबई तक का उड़ान समय लगभग 4 घंटे और 40 मिनट रहेगा। हमारा क्रिस्वल मनोरंजन शीघ्र ही उड़ान भरने के बाद शुरू होगा। कार्यक्रम सूची आपकी कुर्सी की जेब में रखी क्रिस्वल पत्रिका में उपलब्ध है। सुरक्षा कारणों से हेडसेट्स का उपयोग विमान के उड़ान भरने के बाद ही हो सकता है। आपकी कुर्सी की जेब में स्वास्थ्य पत्रिका रखी है जो आपको स्वास्थ्य संबंधित विशेष जानकारी देगी। हम आशा करते हैं कि आपकी यात्रा सुखद रहेगी। धन्यवाद।
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. Just give you a little bit of an update of what's going on right now. We've got a technical problem with the fuel tanks at the moment, and the ground engineer is trying their best to rectify the problem, and I do not have an estimate right now, but definitely we're going to have a little bit of a delay, so we'll keep you updated once we get everything settled with the technical problem. We do apologize for the delay, and we'll come back to you as soon as we can with the more information. Thank you. Gentlemen, this is your captain speaking once again. We've just got the latest information from the ground engineer. There's some good news. All the equipment has been rectified. At the moment, we are in the process of doing some paperwork and once we finish that, we should be on our way, and we're looking at about another 10 to 15 minutes for our departure time. We do apologize again for the delay, and I thank you for your patience.
Doors closed. Ladies and gentlemen, mobile phones and other portable electronic devices can cause interference with our aircraft navigational systems. They must now be switched off. Details are available in our Silver Cruise magazine. You are also reminded that smoking is not permitted at all times while in the aircraft. Thank you.
ध्यान दीजिए, आपसे निवेदन है कि आप इस समय अपने निजी मोबाइल फोन या किसी भी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक उपकरण का उपयोग ना करें। धन्यवाद।
crew select audios to automatic and prepare cabin for safety presentation. Ladies and gentlemen, in the interest of your safety, please give attention to the safety video which will now be shown. Thank you.
प्रिय सज्जनों, हम आपका ध्यान सुरक्षा वीडियो की ओर दिलाना चाहेंगे जो कि आपसे कुछ ही देर में शुरू होगा.
Patience, please. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a reminder to ensure that your seatbelt is securely fastened and your window shades are up. Thank you.
प्रिय सज्जनों, हम शीघ्र ही उड़ान भरने वाले हैं. कृपया एक बार सुनिश्चित कर लें कि आपकी सुरक्षा पेटी बंदी है और खिड़कियों के पर्दे ऊपर है. धन्यवाद.
Ladies and gentlemen, the seatbelt sign is now switched off. For your safety, always keep your seatbelt fastened. If you are using a blanket, do fasten your seatbelt over your blanket. Thank you.
प्रिय सज्जनों, कुर्सी की पेटी के संकेत अब बंद कर दिए गए हैं, किंतु आपकी अपनी सुरक्षा के लिए उड़ान के दौरान कुर्सी की पेटी बांधे रखना ही उचित है. यदि आप कंबल ओढ़ना चाहें तो कृपया अपनी कुर्सी की पेटी कंबल के ऊपर से बांध लें. धन्यवाद.
Gentlemen, because of turbulence, please return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt. Toilets should not be used at this time for your own safety. Parents, please carry your infants out from the bassinet. They should be secured with infant seatbelt or in-child safety seats. Thank you.
सज्जनों, स्थानीय मौसम खराब होने के कारण आपसे निवेदन है कि अपनी कुर्सी पर लौट जाए और कुर्सी की पेटी बांध लें. माताओं से निवेदन है कि वे अपने बच्चों को पालने से उठाकर गोद में बिठा लें. आपकी सुरक्षा के लिए शौचालय का उपयोग इस समय ना करें. धन्यवाद.
Ladies and gentlemen, due to turbulence, we will be suspending all hot beverages until the clearance of turbulence. Thank you.
आपकी सुरक्षा के लिए हम सभी चाय और कॉफ़ी सेवाएं स्थगित करने जा रहे हैं. मौसम के साफ होते ही हम दोबारा शुरू करेंगे. धन्यवाद.
Gentlemen, due to turbulence, we shall be suspending all cabin services. Cabin crew, take your seat, please. Resume your service.
Ladies and gentlemen, because of turbulence, please return to your seat and fasten your seat belt. Toilets should not be used at this time for your own safety. Parents, please carry your infants out from the bassinet. Thank you.
दीजिए, स्थानीय मौसम खराब है. आपसे निवेदन है कि अपनी कुर्सी पर लौट जाए और कुर्सी की पेटी बांध ले. माताओं से निवेदन है कि वे अपने बच्चों को पालने से उठाकर गोद में बिठा ले. धन्यवाद.
To your seats, thank you. Gentlemen, due to turbulent weather, please return to your seat and fasten your seat belt. Toilets should not be used now, thank you.
कृपया ध्यान दीजिए, स्थानीय मौसम खराब है. आपसे निवेदन है कि अपनी कुर्सी पर लौट जाए और कुर्सी की पेटी बांध ले. धन्यवाद.
And gentlemen, our duty-free cruise shop is now open. For passengers who are on transit in Mumbai and continuing on to another destination by air, do note that liquid, aerosol and gel items purchased on board will not be permitted past the baggage security screening point. As such, you are advised to purchase such items only on the last sector of your travel. Thank you.
ध्यान दीजिए, हमारी इन फ्लाइट बिक्री ऐप उपलब्ध है. यदि आप कुछ खरीदना चाहें तो कृपया क्रूज शॉप मैगजीन देखें. धन्यवाद.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are pleased to present a destination video for Mumbai on Video Channel 21. It also includes information on the SIA boarding pass privilege program. Thank you.
सज्जनों, हमने मुंबई शहर पे एक वीडियो तैयार किया है. हम आशा करते हैं ये वीडियो आपके लिए उपयोगी साबित होगा. धन्यवाद.
Gentlemen, cruise shop will be closing soon. Please approach one of our crew if you wish to buy an item. Thank you.
सज्जनों, हम हमारी इन फ्लाइट बिक्री अब बंद करने जा रहे हैं. यदि आप कुछ खरीदना चाहें तो शीघ्र ही कर्मी दल से संपर्क करें. धन्यवाद.
Morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is your pilot speaking. Trust that you have had an enjoyable flight so far. We're about less than 200 nautical miles away from Mumbai and will be commencing our descent shortly. The estimated time of touchdown will be 10:50 AM in the morning, and we should be at the gate 10 minutes thereafter. Weather in Mumbai is partially cloudy with a temperature of 28 degrees Celsius. And we do apologize for the delay. And on behalf of all the crew on board, we wish you a pleasant stay at Mumbai and thank you once again for choosing Singapore Airlines. Cabin crew, please prepare the aircraft for arrival. Thank you.
Gentlemen, before our arrival into Mumbai, all passengers must complete the disembarkation and customs form. With the recent outbreak of H1N1, the health authorities in India require all passengers to also complete the health checked-up form prior to arrival. All checked-in baggage will be screened upon arrival. We apologize for any delay this may cause. As we are landing shortly, please return to your seats and secure the tray table, footrest and handset. Window shades should also be drawn up. Please also ensure that your hand luggage is stored in the overhead compartment or under the seat in front of you. All electronic devices must now be switched off. We will be turning off Criswell and collecting the headsets. Thank you.
देविया सज्जनों, सभी यात्रियों को पहुंचने से पहले इमिग्रेशन और कस्टम फॉर्म भरना ज़रूरी है। कृपया फॉर्म के आखिर में दाएं तरफ अपने हस्ताक्षर करना ना भूलें। आपका कार्गो में चेक इन किया सभी सामान एक्सरे मशीन से होते हुए आएगा। सभी विदेशी यात्रियों को जो $5000 या उतनी ही अन्य मुद्रा राशि ले जा रहे हैं, कस्टम्स को इसके बारे में बताना ज़रूरी है। हम कुछ ही देर में उतरने वाले हैं। कृपया अपनी कुर्सी पर लौट जाएं। मेज़ व पायदान बंद कर दें। कृपया सुनिश्चित कर लें कि आपके हैंडसेट सुरक्षित है और खिड़कियों के पर्दे ऊपर है। कृपया अपने हाथ के सामान को सामने वाली कुर्सी के नीचे या ऊपर लगे लॉकर्स में वापस रख दें। हम क्रिस्पल मनोरंजन अब बंद करने जा रहे हैं। धन्यवाद।